Washington's governor is blasting reports the federal government could stall the massive cleanup at Hanford, the most contaminated nuclear site in the country. Billions of taxpayer dollars have already been poured into the project, but state leaders are concerned about the long-term impacts too. Glad you're with us at 6:30. I'm Greg Copeland.
I'm Jessica Janner Castro. Olympia Bureau Chief Drew Mickelson heard from elected officials and community members today and has the latest.
This is a project that has already cost taxpayers more than $30 billion, but elected officials say pulling the plug would not only be a waste of taxpayer money, there would also be environmental concerns as well as public health safety concerns. There was a gathering in the Tri-Cities today with Governor Bob Ferguson and some community members near the Hanford waste treatment plant. The Department of Energy is under a federal order to treat 56 million gallons of radioactive waste stored in underground tanks. For decades, the federal government produced plutonium at the Hanford site for nuclear weapons, leaving behind the radioactive waste. Next month, the feds were supposed to start turning that waste into a more stable radioactive glass form. But U.S. Senator Patty Murray says she's been told the federal government may delay or even change those plans. Yesterday, the Department of Energy said the project will continue, but Governor Ferguson is not sure what to believe.
Literally, it's going to go online in a couple weeks, and the Trump administration now is saying they're going to put a stop to it, which is just lighting fire on billions of taxpayer dollars, and by the way, threatening workers and public safety and our environment. So it's truly outrageous.
The state's Republican Party chair, Jim Walsh, says it is way too early for those Democrats to start raising these doomsday scenarios about this project. Governor Ferguson said if the work is delayed or canceled, he will not hesitate and he will take the Trump administration to court. He said he was, quote, very, very confident the state would prevail. In Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.